Alright, let's go.
Waking up dizzy in the morning. We fight alone.
This should be pretty straightforward. I've done it before. Just as long as these fenders are low enough. Which I think they probably are. We're heading over there to the Peaks dock, obviously. We'll do a quick 180 once we get there. We have the bow thruster here to push the bow left and right. And I'm not sure why that's beeping when it does that. I think it's maybe based on cleaning the tube, the bow thruster tube before, and it stopped beeping. It's possible that it's you know, got some growth in there, but I won't know that. So I'm not sure whether you can see through there. There's the dock. Just go nice and slow.
I never had it so good. Had it so good.
Yeah, I think these fenders should be okay. They should be. So we come in here, in neutral. Now, and we'll do a little bit of a spin in just a sec. Boat's in reverse. Okay, boat's already in reverse. We are so a bit of left there, just so we end up nice and straight. Got to get a bit of grip here on the steering. So we'll use the steering. So back into neutral. We've got enough momentum now. We should bring the bow around. There should be just enough momentum. We have 3 meters here, so we've got plenty of depth. Now this just going into forward should just, I think you can see that, it just pushes it over. Bow around a little bit and we're good. And we should be just perfect. Alright, throw the bow line across. How's that? That's pretty smooth. Take this one straight across here. Oops. That's a little bit tangled. That's okay. We are on. Take this one up the front. That's how you do a single-handed berthing. Success. Just need to bring the stern across so I can reach this line here. Oops. Tie the stern line. Look at that. We are done. Single-handed. Not bad if I do say so myself. So what I might do actually is I will swap this line. This is going to become the spring line because it's longer, obviously. Well, not obviously. So we'll take this one up here. It's what we call a spring line. So when the boat rolls backwards and forwards a little bit, when it wants to move forward or backwards, this one stops it going too far. Because I don't want it to go back into the dock, obviously. And then we'll take this one. This will become the stern line. We'll pull the boat back a little bit, and you can see that spring line will take up the tension. See that? And then these two will work against each other, and it'll just keep it in that position there. And then we'll tighten up the bow just a little bit, and between the two of them it can only come back so far, and then we just want to keep the bow in its position there. All right, we're done. So we'll have a nice relaxing cup of tea now that we're tied up okay. Very happy with that. Well done. Okay, success. We're on the dock. Dinghy's still up and attached, so I'll be able to give that a bit of a hose out as well. Yeah, that'll be good actually. What a morning. It's probably still pretty early. I haven't seen the time actually, but I'm sure it's still pretty early. It'll be before 8 o'clock. Push it back here. This one's still, quilt is still drying off. So we will keep it out. But in the meantime, let's turn off this noise. That's much better. All of those fins are okay. They're doing their job. We'll have a nice wash down of the boat, fill up the water tank, and then we might go down to Turtle Bay. Anyway, happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day here in the Caribbean. It was Mother's Day. Love you all and miss you. Yep, she's well and truly docked. Depth gauge says that it's 2.9 metres plus my 2 metres under the keel, so it's almost 5 metres. But that's at the front of the boat. It'll be shallower at the back here, but plenty deep enough.